What's up guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you like how you can check if the URL is safe or not, or any file you feel it's suspicious. You can check if it has virus or like it is dangerous or anything. So you just need to go to this website called Virus Total, and this video is not sponsored by any company or Virus Total or anything. This video is not sponsored. It's very simple. Just have to go to virustotal.com, and if you just go to that, this is what you'll be able to see. So you can click on choose file, and so I just have chose a simple random file. Okay, it's gonna take a minute to check. As they have written over here, do not submit any personal information. So yeah, it's better not to submit some personal files or something. So it's gonna show all these companies, and you can see it's saying undetected. So if you click on summary, it's gonna just show this analyzing its process, because there are so many of them still checking. You can see it's undetected. If you click on this, then you can recheck it. Okay, so it's still loading. I just had put a bigger file, like it was some 70 or 80 MB. I have put a bigger file. If it is a small file like under 50 MB, it's gonna complete in very few seconds. So yeah, that's how you can check this. And at the end, yeah, okay, so here we go. It's saying undetected, and some of them, timeout, or there'll be some kind of they'll be not able to process this type of file. As you can see, if this thing goes this side, then do not open that file. If it goes this side, or if it stays in the middle, then it's okay. And here also you'll get to know. So yeah, now let's try with the website. Okay, I'm gonna go to this. I'm just gonna type some URL which I had found suspicious. Okay, so as you can see, if it is not if it is not safe, then you'll get it as malicious, suspicious, something like that, and also get more details. And this is the summary. As you can see, it's going this side, this red thing, and for security flag this URL as malicious. So that's it. This is how you can check it. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.